Meaning of gold digger.
Gold digger.
Gold digger.
Gold digger.
Gold digger. The term gold digger is commonly used to describe a person, often a woman, who enters into a romantic relationship with someone solely for financial gain. This individual seeks to profit from their partner's wealth and assets, often displaying little interest in their partner as a person. The term can also be applied to men who engage in similar behavior. Gold digging is generally viewed negatively, often perceived as unethical and exploitative. It can lead to strained relationships and legal issues, particularly in cases of marriage fraud or extortion.